Welcome back to Speak English Confidently. Today you'll learn some powerful phrases that English speakers use all the time and how to respond naturally. Let's get started.
That's awesome!
That's awesome.
That's awesome is a friendly, positive reaction you use when someone tells you good news, an achievement, or something impressive. It shows excitement, support, and genuine interest in what the other person is saying. The T in that's becomes a soft D or almost disappears to that's. Awesome becomes awesome, not oh-some.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome.
That's awesome.
When someone says, "That's awesome," to you, you can reply, "Thanks. I appreciate it." Yeah, I'm really excited about it. I'm happy with how it turned out.
No way, really? No way, really?
Use this phrase when you want to show surprise, shock, or amazement in a positive way. It's what native speakers say when something is unexpected or impressive. No way. Really? The tone is more important than the words. Say it like you truly didn't expect the news. This phrase can also mean, "I don't believe that," or "Are you serious?" It depends on the tone, not the words. Excited tone. No way, really?
I got the job.
No way, really? That's awesome.
Flat tone. Really? No way.
I can eat 5 pizzas by myself.
Really? No way.
You can respond very simply with, yeah, yep, yes, yeah, really. Yeah, really, I'm serious. Yep, it's true. I'm not joking. Yeah, crazy, right? Yep, I still can't believe it.
That must be fun. That must be fun.
We use "that must be fun" when someone tells us about something that sounds enjoyable, interesting, or exciting. You're not saying you know it's fun. You're saying that based on what you heard, it seems fun. Use it when someone talks about their job, their hobby, their routine, a new experience, anything that sounds enjoyable.
That must be fun. That must be fun.
Now, if you want to take one step forward, this is your shadowing practice. Repeat after me and try to match my rhythm, pronunciation, and tone. That's awesome!
That's awesome!
When someone says, "That's awesome," to you, you can reply, "Thanks.
Thanks.
I appreciate it."
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm really excited about it.
Yeah, I'm really excited about it.
I'm happy with how it turned out.
I'm happy with how it turned out.
No way. Really?
No way! Really?
You can respond very simply with, yeah,
Yeah.
yep,
Yep.
yes,
Yes.
yeah, really.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, really, I'm serious.
Yeah, really. I'm serious.
Yep, it's true.
Yep, it's true.
I'm not joking.
I'm not joking.
Yep, I still can't believe it.
Yep, I still can't believe it.
Yeah, crazy, right?
Yeah, crazy, right?
That must be fun.
That must be fun.
Excellent. I'm very proud of you. You take your learning seriously. Now, you'll learn how to say these phrases correctly and pay attention to how people use them in real life or in your favorite TV shows and movies in different contexts.